Hey, it's Clay Trade, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol MMEG. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame. I think does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Did this analysis on Friday, so that's where these red and green lines are coming from. And first I'm going to do is a little house cleaning. From a presentation standpoint, I don't want to have a million lines everywhere that can cause clutter and confusion, so I just want to try to keep this as clean as possible. So the first updates are based on just foundational rules in charting, which states when levels of resistance are broken and closed above, you want to see them act as support. So for those of you that did watch the video from Friday and hopefully remember, I talked about 0045 as a level of resistance, but now that the price is broken above it and closed above it, this would be considered an area of support. And same with right here at 005. Was a level of resistance on Friday when I did the video, but now that the price is above it, you'd want to see it act as support. And actually, it's already happened once. So, it was broken and you'd want to see it act as support. So a couple examples here, right there exactly, but acting as support. So a good classic example of resistance being broken, a back test, and then, bouncing back up off of it. So 005, 0045, two newest areas of support. Always good when red lines are being changed to green. From the big picture perspective, though, as long as the price is up above that purple line there, which is the 50-period simple moving average, then the overall trend is in the bulls' favor. So, like I said, bulls are in full control as long as the price is up above that purple line. What about levels of resistance? If this upwards move is going to continue, where are some of these battlegrounds at? A couple areas. First one being the fun level, meaning it's always fun, I get it, to talk about, going to new highs and doing battle with new highs, and that's what 0067 represents up there. But in many situations, as is the case here, usually there's other levels that first need to be, broken through before you start having fun and talking about the fun level. And in this case, that's right here at 006. So 006 is the initial level of resistance. Don't get me wrong, 0067, definitely a level of resistance. But before you go and start talking about that one, bulls first need to get above this bridge right here and cross over that. All in all, though, another good solid day. And as long as the price keeps on putting in those higher lows, that's the name of the game. One of the most popular questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together this free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then by all means click right there to get access to the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and like I say, it is free. Thanks for watching. Have a good one.